Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where the start stop DNS client service option is grayed out in services, then please watch this video. Now there's one case to this where you are using an organization managed computer where the policies are managed by the server. So in this case, it will be grayed out, you cannot do anything about it. But if it's a home computer, I'll give you a workaround. We have a PowerShell command, you can use it to restart the service. So search for PowerShell in the Windows search bar, click on Run as administrator in the right pane, paste it here and hit enter. Okay, so this is how you can restart the DNS client service. But again, if it was a computer that was purchased or it was taken from a company or an organization, then I will suggest resetting it or contacting the company to fix this issue. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.